Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to do another STEM activity where we are going to make a bubble machine that you can easily make at home with stuff that you have around the house. We got the inspiration for this because we read what did dinosaurs, or what the dinosaurs did at school. And in that, they have a science experiment where bubbles explode everywhere. And so we wanted to do a bubble experiment and make a bubble machine. I got the other inspiration kind of directions for this activity from Fun Educational Activities for Kids Pinterest page, and I'll link it down below in the description. I've already made one cup, and you can see that my son is having fun making bubbles, aren't you, Luke? This is going to be lots of fun. So we can take these outside and have fun. Right now, I just have them, since we are in the house, I just put a cookie sheet that we use for all of our experiments and crafts and stuff down underneath them. All right. Whoa, look how cool that is.
It looks like a drink or something.
Yeah, but you do not want to drink this in. All right, so right now I'm going to walk my daughter through how to do this experiment, and you'll see me activity, and you will see how I provide aided language input, giving her directions and everything using the Lamp Words for Life app on an iPad. And it's on the full version, so I have access to all the vocabulary. Okay, Sophia, you ready? Mm-hmm. So the materials that we need for this experiment are paper cups.
I made the bag!
Yeah, you made big bubbles. We need food coloring. This is optional. You could just have clear bubbles, but if you want to color them, you can do that as well. Yep, we need a tablespoon and some water. Wrong word. We're going to need straws. And we will need some dish soap as well. And this can be any color too. If you want clear bubbles, obviously clear, or if you want to be able to add the food coloring and not have it tainted by what the dish soap color is, then you'd want clear for that as well. And then the last thing that different item that we need is tape. All right, it's pretty simple activity to follow. So Sophie, here's your cup, and the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to put a hole at the bottom of the cup with your pencil. So, and they may need help with this part depending on your student and their abilities, or your child. So what could you say, Sophie, if you do need help?
Can someone please help me?
Yeah, we can say help, please.
Please.
Yep. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to put it near the bottom all the way through. Good job. And now we have a nice hole at the bottom. Next, we are going to go ahead and put in our straw. Good job. Now, whenever you put in your straw, you do not want it to touch the other side. You want to leave a little bit of room so that way you can get that air in there to blow the bubbles. And then I have already tore off some pieces of tape for her. And so she's just going to tape around, securing that straw in the hole. And we're going to put the tape all the way around so that none of the water or the soap will come out. We don't want it to come out. We want it to stay in so that we can blow our bubbles. And I forgot where blow is. Hold on, let me find blow. I'm going to go to my word finder since I forgot where that word is. Spell it out, B-L-O-W. It was under drink, not eat. So drink, blow. Yep. All right. So she has it nicely secured in there all around. The tape is all around like we talked about. Now we are going to, Sophie, put in the soap to where it comes just over the straw. So just where it's just over the straw. And then you will stop.
Stop.
And sometimes with the clear it's hard, so I kind of hold up and then you can see where the edge is. So I think we are good.
I make a big
I
one.
think that's good.
Now
Here's an update on Luke. He is, so good thing we have the pan underneath. But it is fun. Now we can pop the bubbles. Yay. All right, so we have our soap. We have it in there. So next we are going to add in the water. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons. A dinosaur shaped bubble. Okay. There we go. All right, and you don't have to stir it or anything. You can just put that in.
And now fun part.
And do you want coloring? I shouldn't have even asked. All right, what color did you pick, Sophie? What color did you pick, sweetie? Green. She put 4 drops in. You really only need to put 2, but you went too fast for me to get it out. All right, so now we have made our bubble machine. You are finished making it. And now you get to enjoy. You know what? I don't know where the word enjoy is. E-N-G-O-Y. Enjoy. You get to enjoy not drinking it. Making bubbles. Woo! Look how tall that's getting.
Hey, it looks like a little chubby bubby.
And then it fell over off on top. So this is really good activity for whenever you are outside, not off, outside. But we are going to have fun while we were in, and we just put cookie sheets down. So, and look how big those bubbles got, and how tall they were, right, Luke? Did you have fun blowing bubbles?
Fun.
Luke, did you like this activity or did you not?
No.
You did not? Really?
No.
All right. I think you were smiling and you kept doing more of it, so I think you did.
More.
This is his favorite button right now. And the dinosaurs.
More.
The snail take and dinosaurs are our favorite buttons, aren't they? What do you want to tell me? Yeah. Our book was about dinosaurs, wasn't it? Oh, not about animal parts, I don't think you meant to go. Let's go back.
Mane.
A mane is on a horse. Up in the air. All right. So that was our science activity to go with our book, What the Dinosaurs Did at School. We made bubble machines. So I hope that if you do this activity at home, that you have fun talking about the dinosaurs and the brontosaurus that was in the book, and that you have fun making lots and lots of bubbles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like below.